Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about how to earn money from YouTube channel. Let's go through the points. Create a YouTube channel with a good name so that your viewers can relate your YouTube channel. Then identify your interest or skills or niche, which topic you're really interested in, which topic you are really want to teach people, where you can create a tutorial and you can help your viewers. So identify your interest. I can give you an example. I'm a software expert. I know few programming languages, and I'm teaching my viewers software programming languages and software tools and tips so that it can help their career. So identify your interest and focus on it and learn more, and then teach your viewers. How can Then ask the question, like, how can you help people? What are you really good at? What exactly you can How exactly you can create value to your viewers? Then prepare the content really well. You can use pictures, you can use text, whatever you want. You can make it easy so that you can viewers can understand it. Then once your content is ready, then practice the presentation. Practice. Why I'm saying, because initially I was really struggling to present, because it's new for me to do the screen recording and talk before a computer. So it was really challenging for me. Then I got free feedback from my friends, and then slowly I'm improving. So practice the presentation, then learn how to do the screen record. I would like to say I'm using Debut and OBS screen recording software. There are a lot of open uh, free softwares available in the internet. You can try out one and try with multiple settings, whichever suits for you. Please use it, and then learn how to edit the videos using free software or paid software. There are free and paid software available in the internet. You can I'm using Filmora, which is really nice, which I really liked it, so I started using it. Then create the videos regularly and consistently. Why regularly? Because your viewers are expecting a video from you, for example, every 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month. And it should be consistent, because you can engage with your viewers. They will be so happy to see a video from you. So do it regularly. Like, don't give a break like 6 months. Don't give a break like 6 months and then post a video. It would be nice if you can create regularly, like every 2 weeks. It would be nice, or 1 month. And the next point is very important. Be open for your viewers' feedback. Be open for critics. Learn from the feedback and improve. Because initially I was getting really nasty feedbacks. I was I was open for it, and now I started getting really nice feedbacks. I really want to say thanks to all my viewers who gave feedback, because that helped me to improve the way I present myself. And say thanks to your viewers who gave the comments. So whenever you are reviewing your comments, people might be giving comments on your channel. When you go through that, say thanks to them, because people who are giving the comments are helping you to grow. Okay, and never ever forget to reply to them, because they expect a reply from you. Once you start getting the views, you can apply for Google AdSense for YouTube channel. I'll explain you what exactly Google AdSense means. So once you create your YouTube channel and you started uploading the videos, okay, then you can see your subscribers, then you can monetize it, then you can see the comments from your viewers, and you can edit your video. You can build a community. That's where the YouTube channel is all about. So you can manage your videos. Okay, you can see the what are the videos you have, how many views you got, how many subscribers, the likes. Maybe I can show you once. So this is my YouTube channel. You can see here how many views I have, how many likes I have, how did I monetize it, whether this video is monetized or not. Okay, so, and the number of views. And you can also see you can also monetize a video like this. Once you upload the video, there is an option to monetize it, and you can also change some of the settings for your video. Okay, so this is all about your YouTube channel. You can manage your videos. What is Google AdSense? So you can connect your YouTube channel to your Google AdSense, and the goal for Google AdSense is to monetize. Like you can manage your monetization. So you have already started monetizing your videos. Then how to see or manage it? You can go to Google AdSense. You can connect your YouTube channel in the Google AdSense. Once you get approval, you can start seeing what are the videos getting, like how much is the video earning, and the payment details, and then your bank account details will be, you can provide in your Google AdSense account. Okay, so this is how these two are connected. One is for getting your payment, and one is for your videos. One is to manage the videos, and the other one is to see how exactly your videos are performing and the payment details. So once you get approval from the Google AdSense team, they will send the letter to your address, home address. Okay, so there will be a pin code in order to verify to your identity. So now you got your Google AdSense approved, you're ready. Then you can log into Google AdSense website with your account, and then you can see, you will start seeing the generated money in the Google AdSense website. So for example, if you have uploaded 100 videos, for each video, how much you're generating, the money you're generating, you can see that it based on the views and a lot of criteria. It's not only views, it has a lot of criteria. uh, it's a big topic actually. So you can there are so many sources available in the internet. You can learn about it, how exactly you can the money has been assigned to your video views. Once your earnings reached more than $100, okay, Google AdSense team will send the money to your configured bank account through wire transfer. So you in your Google AdSense website, you can set your bank account. So your YouTube channel connected to your Google account and the Google AdSense account, and the Google AdSense account, you can set your bank account details. Okay, so based on your video views, they will monetize it, and once it reaches $100, they will add it to your bank account. You can set your preferred bank account in Google AdSense website. For whatever account you have in your country, you can set that. You can monitor the traffic for your YouTube channel and its performance. You can see which video is performing well and which video is not performing, and then you can improve on it. Like, why is it? Because of the topic or the title or the content? You can check. You can ask your viewers that what type of videos they would like to get from you. It really helps because I'm doing that, and a lot of people are posting that this is what I want. And then the 18th is very, very important. Please have patience and passion for creating the content, because it really, really takes time. It took a lot of years for me. So please have patience and always reply to your viewers' comments. Even if it's good or worst comments, don't worry about it. Just reply. For example, I would like to give an example for you. You are not good to create videos. The concepts are not clear. So this is what the comment I got for one of my videos initially, like more than 4 years back. But I replied to them, thanks for your feedback. Sure, I will improve the way I present in the next video. So feedbacks are very, very important. Even it's the I would really like to say thanks to all my viewers who posted the negative comments, the critics about me, because those are the comments which really help me to improve. So don't give up. Just reply to them and try to improve on your content, the audio and the video. Then invest good time for preparation. Buy a good microphone and a computer and the software that is required to create the videos. Okay, and these are the points that I have. These are the learnings that I've got. If you have any questions, please post in the comment section. I can answer your comments. If you really like these points, please click on the like button. If you want to subscribe, because I'm going to post a lot of technical videos and uh, the videos about YouTube channel, so you can subscribe to my channel. If you want to share, please share. Thank you so much and all the best for your career. Thank you.